Hello, everybody.
Hey everyone, it's Age Graceful and Mr. G. We're here to do a review of Super Clean. Okay, so the makers of Super Clean, and especially my social marketing specialist, Jessica Heffling, sent me some products. So I have Super Clean in an aerosol can. Now on Sunday during my live, I unboxed these items, but if you didn't see the live or catch the replay, I'm just kind of going over them a little bit. The next one is the Super Clean for wheels. So this is something that the guys can use to keep our Mercedes nice and clean. The next one is a floor absorbent. And so this is for like oil spills and what else did it have on the back here? For home use, like if you spill paint in your garage for like oil and maybe gasoline, if you spilled like gasoline out of your mower, manufacturing, sports fields, airports, transportation, farms, and drilling, because of course you have oil in all of those places. So these are granules that you would pour on that spill. The next one is Super Clean Degreaser, and this one is a spray bottle. It's the same thing that's in the can here, but the can is an aerosol type foam, and this one is a spray, but it's the same formula. So I have a refrigerator here that belonged to my dad that he kept like in the garage, and he would keep like pop and hot dogs and steaks and things like that. So whenever we would have a barbecue, we would go to the garage and go in this refrigerator to get what we needed. So now I have it, and he had stickers on it. I'm just going to put this down just a little bit. I took some of the stickers off, but this part is stuck, so I'm going to see if this will help to loosen these stickers. And then there's a little bit of glue from some other stickers, and then he had a few magnets. So what I'm going to do is I'll work on the top part and have Mr. G work on the bottom half. Which one do you want to use? The aerosol or
Yeah, I use the aerosol.
okay, so he's going to use the aerosol on the bottom, and I'm going to use the spray one on the top portion. And I also have a scouring pad to kind of loosen up these stickers here. So I just want to read you quickly the letter that Jessica sent me. She just says, "Hi, my name is Jessica. I am the social marketing specialist for Super Clean. Going forward, I will be your direct contact. So please let me know if you have any questions. Once you've created a video on your channel, please email me so that they're able to see it. We recommend starting with the lowest concentration as outlined on the dilution chart. Please see the attachment." Now, I don't have that particular product. They have some other detergents that you dilute with water, but I wasn't sent that particular product here, these products with the handles on them here. And I apologize for the sun. We also, of course, got some gear. I have my t-shirt, and Mr. G is wearing the cap. So we're going to get to work. I'm going to probably fast forward through that portion. Get up. Okay, you can start on your part. And I'm just going to see here. It's cut it to spray.
That's right.
All right, where's this color?
There you go.
I might eat a little extra. This part here.
Side of you.
I know you do, but they probably have to find this. Yeah, because like all of us go, it really does come out. She'll be like, oh, y'all know I didn't. This part I don't like. I bet you like girl. But I mean, you really know, so that's cool. You know, right? I did it Okay, everyone, we're all done with the refrigerator. I can say that this product works equally well in both the foam and the spray bottle. The sticker, we put a little bit of the solution on there to kind of loosen it up, and then Mr. G took a knife and got it around the edges, but in real time, it took 10 minutes for us to clean the front of the refrigerator. And on this side, I did not get the side that I'm standing on because it's butted against some countertops. But this product, I would purchase it. So I'm gonna leave a code, a discount code, if provided, because I have to talk to Jessica about that, in my description box for you guys. I know that the floor absorbent you can purchase at AutoZone. The other products you can go to superclean.com to purchase those. So I'm just gonna bring the camera down a little bit so you can see the refrigerator. This fridge, by the way, is a Sears Kenmore, and it's almost 20 years old. My dad bought this refrigerator years and years ago, but it ran well for several years and it's still running, and I think it looks absolutely beautiful. And even though it's outside, I'll probably put a couple of cute refrigerator magnets on the front of it. I have some that are sentimental to me, so I'll probably use some of those. So thank you for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel if you're not already subscribed. And thank you, Super Clean, for allowing me to work with you. I enjoyed it. You all take care.
Goodbye.
Bye.